Hello, Infantile 3. How are you today? Good? Nice. Infantile 3, do you remember that last week we talked about shapes? Yes, I love shapes because we can see shapes everywhere. Today, what we have to do is something really nice. You have to do a very beautiful draw using shapes. So, use your imagination and create something very, very beautiful. Look, I'm gonna try to draw something very nice with shapes. Let's see. Okay. This is a circle. And this will be my sun. This is my sun. My sun is shining. And my sun is a circle. Now, I am gonna do a house. My house will be orange. And I'm gonna do my house with a rectangle and another big rectangle. Now, the roof I am gonna do in red with a big triangle. See, all we have to do is using our imagination, the shapes, and create something really, really beautiful. Okay? I want you to take a picture and show it to me because I really want to see your beautiful draw. Don't forget to use the shapes and the imagination. Okay? Bye-bye.